Hello everyone, welcome again on Tips Engineer Zone. We are going to learn voltage drop calculation. This voltage drop calculation for cables. Okay, the cable has its resistance and reactance causing some voltage drops, and motor takes 6 to 12 times the full load current during starting. Okay, so the voltage drop criteria has to be checked in order to have. Okay, so this is the voltage drop calculation sheet. This is the Excel sheet, and if you change this data here, it result reflect here. Okay, if you number of run is 1, then voltage drop is 2%. Okay, if is 3 runs, then voltage drop is decreasing because of resistance decrease in parallels. Okay, and if it goes to 1, then result voltage drop is 2%. Okay, this is on percent. Okay, and if you change the resistance of the conductors, means this ones, and reactance is this, and voltage level of 415 volts, and IV is the 163 amperes, and length is the 0.12 kilometers, cos phi is the power factors, and sin theta is the 0.53, and this is the calculation Excel sheet formula putting here. Okay, and this is the variables like length of cables. Okay, and resistance of the cables, reactance of the cables, I is the rated current, and is the number of parallels runs, and this one is the cos phi power factors, and st the starting currents, and cos phi st the power factor at the starting. Okay, and this resistance of the conductor and reactance of the conductors data available as per the cable catalog. Okay, and if you change this one, and result change here. If cos phi somewhere power factor of the cable is 0.95, then you can change the 95. Then sin phi changes accordingly, like 0.31, and voltage drop also changes. Okay, this is the automatic calculation sheets. Okay, if you want, please visit Tips Engineer Zone. Okay, contact sections, and if you also want this Excel sheet, you can check out this comment sections. Okay, thank you very much. And in Tips Engineer Zone, there are lots of electrical engineering courses available. Okay, if you want to join our electrical engineering courses, visit our website. In Tips Engineer Zone, there are lots of electrical engineering courses on available in website. Okay, so easily join, visit our website and join the electrical engineering courses like design, solar, transformer testing, substation testing and commissioning. Okay, so lots of electrical engineering courses available in this website, and price is very low, very nominal prices. So if you want to join, please visit Tips Engineering courses. Okay, thank you very much.